Hey everyone, we are live at 4930 Breckenridge Run in the West Genesee School District. This is the neighborhood here. Anyone who joins in, welcome from the Facebook business page of Lawrence Papaleo at Gilbo Realty, licensed real estate salesperson. Here you go, Sean.
Thank you, Lawrence.
All right, so this is a live showing, 4930 Breckenridge Run, West Genesee School District. So as we enter, 2-car door garage. Alright, spacious in there. We got a lawnmower currently in there that doesn't come with the property. Okay. Nice seating area outside. That's what I really like about this. I would like to just get like a rocking chair, have a glass of wine, and just watch storms. That's my little weird thing that I want to do. Alright, so in here you got closet space. Hang up your coats. Alright, vacuum cleaner, put it in there, that type of thing. You know the deal, you know what to do with the closet, right? Over here you got your living room area, fancy furniture, etc. A lot of beautiful natural light coming in, okay, with those windows. Come on in, follow me, follow me. Alright, for your family, over here. This is the dining room, so when you guys are ready to eat fancy dinners, that type of thing, pop the table right there. Alright, natural light as always. That's one of the greatest features of this property is the natural light. Okay, eat-in kitchen over here. So when you want to be a little less fancy, okay, eat something quick, whatever, make yourself an omelet, right over here. Alright, here's your kitchen, dishwasher, sink, alright, I like these for your bread, right, open and shut. Microwave, your range on the stove, okay, refrigerator here. Also, there's a lot of counter space here, alright? So if you guys are cookers, you'll love the counter space. We've already had a few showings already at the property, and we already picked up half the business cards. Sean, you're going to want to watch out, you might run into that chandelier. Okay, so kitchen over here, alright, and enough to do anything you want to do in the kitchen. Over here. Family room, beautiful fireplace. Maybe hang a TV up, set your sofa down. All right, could you see your family in here? If you can, give us a call. Okay. Out here, you got your sunroom. Beautiful for sunny days. When it's winter, not so much. You won't find yourself out there a lot. Okay. But backyard there. Got the shed that's yours. Come on in, follow me. Alright, garage, you can hardly see it, but there's a lawnmower in there, 2-car door garage. Alright, let me see with my eyes. And you got storage space over there, which you won't be able to see really with the darkness. Actually, you can see it really well. Go figure, go figure. Alright, follow me upstairs, come on. John, do you have anyone who is chiming in right now or no? Did any notifications come up? Do we have any viewers?
Not yet, not yet.
No one, wow. Alright, we'll get there. Okay, we're coming up the stairs. Follow me. Nice railings, actually. We never mentioned that in the previous video. Nice railing. Okay, in here your full bathroom. Alright, for the rest of the family. Alright, master bedroom does have its own master bathroom, but this is for the kids. Okay, or not the kids. If you want to use 2 different bathrooms, that's fine for whenever you want. Here's 1 bedroom, closet space over there, window. Okay. Could fit anything you ever wanted in this bedroom. Alright. Not literally anything, but whatever you want in a bedroom, right? Alright. Sean's giving me a hard time here. Yeah, not literally anything. Okay. Over here you got your closet. We don't have any viewers? Man, this is rough. No viewers. See, I should have done this on my personal page. My fans, not so much. Anyone who likes my page, I want to click on the video, that's fine. Master bedroom here. We skip the other bedroom, we'll get to it. Alright, spacious. Okay, master bed you can put right here. 2 windows. And 3rd window right behind Sean. Closet space for master bedroom occupant number 1. Master bedroom occupant number 2. Alright, come on in here. You don't need me in there. Master bathroom. Alright, got a toilet. Got your shower. And, oh, I didn't notice that before too, was over here you got something to put your shampoo on. You want to put your foot up there if you want to sit down. Whatever your heart desires in the shower. Alright? I don't want to know. Don't tell me. Okay, come on over. Keeping it professional, Sean. Alright, and the other bedroom. So this house is 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms. Okay, this is the second non-master bedroom, obviously. But you got your window here, closet space there. Okay, this all comes with the property. No one's going to take this down, so little extra storage spots right here. Okay, let's head down to the basement. Yeah, nobody, huh? No viewers? Maybe after. Maybe you're all working.
You got to step your game up there,
I
don't you?
I know. See that? I have like 149 people who like the page, and none of them are watching. Come on. All right, whatever. Note to self: next time, do live video on my personal page. All right. Sean, you want to take over for the basement? You want me to finish it up? I'll finish it up. All right. Then Sean, maybe you can go live on your personal page. All right. 4930 Breckenridge Run. Okay, West Tennessee School District. Here is the basement. All right. It's cleaned out. A lot of opportunity here. Okay, so it's not finished, but you could finish it yourself. If I were to finish it, I'd make this into like a bonus area, pool table, bar, TV, that type of thing, where I could hang out with my friends. Alright, all 3 of you. Alright, over here you got your furnace, hot water tank, area over here for the handyman of the house or handy woman.
We got a viewer.
What's that? We got a viewer?
Yeah.
Hey, welcome. Thanks for coming. You missed about the whole broadcast, but here's the basement, 4930 Breckenridge Run. Okay, a lot of opportunity here. Can you see who it is by any chance?
Oh, they just left.
And they just left. Look how beautiful. Thank you.
Oh, they're back. They're back.
And they're
No,
back.
they left again.
And they
Sorry.
left again. All right. Thank you. Okay.
You know, shoddy connection.
Yeah.
We apologize.
Yeah.
Could be on their
It's a
end, though.
basement. Yeah. We're going to blame it on you. You have that connection. Okay, guys, so this is the live showing. All right, if you want to see in person, give me a call, 315-748-2524. I'd love to show you. Okay, those are just for the recent realtors who have shown this property right here. Okay, but we did pick up a stack on Friday. There were about 5 other ones. So how long has this property been on the market?
Less than a week, guys. Less than a week.
We've had probably at least 9 or 10 showings already. Sean, did you have any realtors reach out to you about possibly putting an offer in?
You know, I did, as a matter of fact.
Okay. All right. So this property is in demand, beautiful neighborhood. Okay, give me a call. I'd love to show it to you. 315-748-2524. You could email me, papaleosellerrealestate@outlook.com. But this is one of the nicest properties I've been in, okay? And it's going to sell. So if you're looking to upgrade, looking to downgrade, whatever it is, give me a call. Okay, this is about 1,700 square feet, right? Okay, so if you're looking, if your kids have graduated college and have moved on, or graduated high school, and it's just the 2 of you, this is a nice property because it's a little bit smaller in that sense. But if you're trying to move from a starter home to a forever home, okay, this is a step higher than a starter home as well. So give me a call, 315-748-2524, set up an appointment, and see this property before it's gone. Thanks. Bye.